session. We're gonna do skill circuit, and I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. Super hot today again, so we are going to our confined water site. Like I said, we will do skill. Sorry for the sound. This one is GoPro in a housing, so that's why sound doesn't go through that well. Terima kasih. So yeah, I'm actually super happy about the session we did. Elliot showed a really, of course he did his dive master course I don't know, a couple of years ago, and now he's kind of needs the refresher, but he's catching up really fast, and I'm super happy about that. So sorry, driving a really narrow trail here. I'm just wondering how that people live here. Almost smashed into the tree because holding camera with one hand and driving. So yeah, in the afternoon we will do theory and that stuff. So yeah, will be fun a lot today again. Lunchtime.
This 4 days gives them
Laura is translating videos.
You're working 4 days for 25 kilograms of salt, and then...
So now all our Russian speaking friends will be able to understand what's going on that video. I got a really good time lapse, time to go home and edit, and I'm absolutely sure you will really enjoy it. So enjoy and see you in